Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about reason to invest in cryptocurrency. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. It's easy to get started. While the technology and concept behind cryptocurrency might seem complex, perhaps even a little esoteric, the truth is that it's actually very easy to explore this mode of investment. Before you do, you should take a few basic rules into consideration. First, cryptocurrency should only represent a small fraction of your investment portfolio, especially as you're just beginning to learn the ropes. Second, there are many tokens to choose from. Do your research and learn about those that interest you, but bear in mind there are many which have historically invited speculation and spiked in price before flatlining and disappearing altogether. This is a good reason to focus on Bitcoin first, even if you're only starting with a tiny fraction of a single Bitcoin. This is the primary bellwether currency and, in spite of its volatility, remains the surest bet among cryptocurrencies to survive in the long run. With these considerations in mind, sign up for an account with a trusted exchange forum like Coinbase, Gemini or Binance, deposit a few dollars, and start to familiarize yourself with the basic crypto landscape. You will also need to create a cryptocurrency wallet, which will either be stored on your desktop, mobile device or a storage hardware device like a USB card. Alternatively, you may be able to create a wallet that is stored on the cloud. 2. Diversify your portfolio. While it's true that crypto should only be a very small part of your investment strategy, it does represent a unique opportunity to diversify your investments. Investing in crypto provides you with an asset that exists in a separate sphere from the behavior of the traditional financial marketplace. Thus, for instance, when market-wide events cause a precipitous downturn of the stock market, or when inflationary trends diminish the value of the traditional dollar, or when new regulations alter the landscape, cryptocurrencies often behave according to their own rules. By adding crypto to your portfolio, you are adding an asset that, because of its global interchange and the decentralized nature of its transactions, is frequently insulated from the types of sweeping events that permeate every other part of the centralized financial market. In spite of its characteristic volatility, crypto can be a great way to balance against events with an otherwise universal impact on financial systems. 3. Enjoy dramatic return on your investment. Take a quick look at Bitcoin for an understanding of just how dramatic a return one could make in the crypto sphere. According to Coinbase, in August of 2012, a single Bitcoin was valued at $112+. At the time of writing in December of 2021, a single Bitcoin is valued in excess of $57,000. Naturally, as the first entrant into an area of tremendous and rapid innovation, Bitcoin is unparalleled in the marketplace both in terms of its value and its long-term viability. However, there are numerous prominent entrants into cryptocurrency that have seen a similarly rapid and dramatic rise from fractions of a penny per token to hundreds and even thousands of dollars per token in a matter of months or years. This means that you have the opportunity today to prospect any number of tokens at an extremely modest cost with the potential for rapid and robust growth. 4. More transparency in transactions. One of the best arguments in favor of investing in cryptocurrency, and for some, the primary impetus behind the use of blockchain, is that it allows for a type of transparency that protects all parties in a transaction. Because all cryptocurrency transactions are encrypted on a publicly distributed ledger that cannot be altered or manipulated, there are fewer likely investment risks as a result of regulatory obfuscation, internal falsification of financial data, incorrect valuations and the countless other discrepancies that cost investors billions on traditional exchanges. As Forbes explains to the novice crypto investor, imagine perfect transparency for the unicorns. A dramatic reset in valuation would be unlikely if all of the company's finances were transparent from the outset and potential investors scrutinized their viability. Balloon spikes would happen much less frequently, and all constituents would be better served. In this way, cryptocurrency has emerged as a solution for many of the problems plaguing a deeply flawed traditional finance system. And in doing so, it has created a new layer of protection for the everyday investor. 5. More places are accepting digital currency. Just a few short years ago, cryptocurrency seemed to the outside observer an incomprehensible idea. How could this invisible, virtual form of currency carry any value in the real world? Even today, there are those with a controlling interest in the centralized financial markets who doubt the legitimacy of cryptocurrency. However, Perhaps the reality which most drives home the actual value of cryptocurrency is the fact that a growing number of merchants, both online and in brick-and-mortar establishments, now accept Bitcoin and several other prominent tokens. In other words, it is now possible to walk into a store, look for the Bitcoin sticker on the front window or door, and purchase actual goods simply by transferring the requested sum to a merchant. You can do the same at a growing number of e-commerce websites as well. There are more businesses and establishments who accept cryptocurrency all the time, a fact which has attached actual, meaningful, real-world value to digital tokens. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to channel.